this video, I'm going to explain thoroughly and very detailed how the Lead Lightning system works, the silver membership, the gold membership, and the Power Lead system additional training memberships or upsells in this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to go over is Lead Lightning. All right, I'm going to talk slow so that way anyone that watches this can follow along and even take notes with the pen if you want to. Okay, so, and if you need to watch faster, you can click in the lower right hand corner ×2. But I just want to be very clear about the differences between Lead Lightning and everything. I just had a couple really good questions. This is actually why I'm making this video. Here's a couple questions I had. What is the difference between everything, and what is the 50% match for the Upsells program? And the other question was like, what are the difference in tools and features from Lead Lightning to like the other packages? Okay, so I'm going to explain it as easy as I can in this video. So let's go back here. Actually, let me get inside my account. Okay, so I logged into my Lead Lightning account that I just used for illustration purposes only. I'm a gold member of the Power Lead system, and I've been active with Power Lead system for literally 4 years now, since May of 2016. All right, so Lead Lightning in a nutshell is a $7 business in a box lead generation program that will help you promote any other business you want. Okay, so you can paste your business or your product or your other thing right here, all right, in your Lead Lightning account. So quick start, it's the first page that you see. You scroll down and you paste it in there, and when you get your link and you advertise it, Lead Lightning will promote whatever you paste here, whether it's network marketing, it doesn't matter. Whatever it is, they will promote that for you through our follow-up emails. Okay, so you want to grab your link. It could be directly for Lead Lightning, or which looks like this, or it could be your free lead system link. They both promote Lead Lightning, except this one gives away a free lead system as well. So every person that enters their email here actually receives their very own free lead system, meaning they have an account similar to this, but instead at the top it just says free lead system instead of Lead Lightning. And they're able to collect leads here. They get their own little contact manager system. They can track all of their leads. All right, they get a little training, and they keep half the leads, and half the leads will pass up to you or to their sponsor. So I just want to explain the difference, because I know free lead system, Lead Lightning, that might already confuse some people. There are two ways to generate leads. One is you're giving away a free lead system, like I just explained, and you can do that like this. And the other one is just promoting right into Lead Lightning. So when they opt in, they will go to a video, they will go to a sales page, probably exactly like this. And anytime you make a Lead Lightning sale of your own, if you're a Lead Lightning member, you earn $6, unlimited $6 commissions. All right, so if you get 10 Lead Lightning customers, you'll have $60 in commissions, and you'll be able to track that in your money section right here in your back office. So overall, it's really awesome for everything that you get for just $7, training included. They give you swipe copy. They give you traffic generation tips. So swipe copy, text links. You can take these, copy and paste these right into your Facebook or your Twitter account and start getting leads right away and promote your business. All right. So again, to reiterate, when you get leads with Lead Lightning, all right, using their websites, okay, when you get leads, all right, Lead Lightning is going to send your leads automated emails. All right, automated emails. So that's how Lead Lightning works. Now, and then real quick, Silver, all right, because he asked about, it's a very detailed question. The Silver membership is talked about a lot less. It is kind of confusing when you're talking about Silver, Gold, all these different levels. If you want to upgrade to Silver, I'm not sure if they discontinued the Silver membership. I will get back to you on that because I just scanned the whole Lead Lightning back office here, and the only place that I'm finding to upgrade is right into our Power Lead System membership, which is different than the Silver membership. But in case they are just delayed because recently they did a whole new training video for Lead Lightning. They've changed up the back office for both Lead Lightning and Power Lead System. So maybe that's why. But basically, Silver membership, from what it was before, is the advanced version, the monthly version of Lead Lightning. So basically, it's Lead Lightning, except if you also refer a Silver member, you receive a $15 residual commission. So $15 a month, and it costs $29.97. So that's for Silver membership. And the advantage, of course, is you get Max Steingart's Endless Free Leads course. So it's Lead Lightning plus Max's course, plus you can earn a bigger commission. But that's really the only difference. You can't customize your pages still, and you can't do the things that Power Lead System offers. So what I'd recommend is just to upgrade to Power Lead System as a regular customer, which you can do here, and it just takes you right into that process. It's $30 a month. You can create a 7-day free trial. You will be billed after, not before, after 7 days. You can cancel easily anytime, and they give you a full week after you've paid in case you want a refund. So there's literally zero risk, all right? Just use common sense here. We have a very fair refund policy, and it also says there's no guarantee of income. So I want to share that as well, the income disclaimer. With anything I'm sharing today, there's no guarantee of income. Your results are always going to vary and are affected by all kinds of different factors. So anyway, let's get into the rest of this and kind of speed it up now. I'm going to log into my Power Lead System account. All right, if you have any additional questions, always feel free to tweet at me at Coach Corey 3 over on Twitter. Send me a direct message. I check them all the time, every day, or tweet at me. All right, so I'm in my back office here. If I can find it, where is it? All right, let me go back. So I'm going to log into my account. I'm a member of Power Lead System, the Gold membership. All right, so the Gold membership, it gives you a $20 a month commission for every Power Lead System customer you refer. All right, so let me take you into this section. So this explains it pretty well in our back office. So like I said, Silver gives you the $15 commissions. Right now, I'm the Gold member, which I believe is the most popular membership of Power Lead System. So I have the ability to earn $20 commissions on regular customers and $15 commissions on Silver customers. and I can earn $6 commissions for lead lightning. So just because you upgrade to one level doesn't mean you lose the lower levels. All right, so I still get access to all the lead lightning, all the silver, and the customer benefits and commissions. Okay, so gold gives you access to being an affiliate for any monthly level we offer and below. Okay, so you get features like unlimited websites, unlimited subdomains, unlimited blog setups. You can customize all your websites. I'll show you. Here's an example. I customized this website to sell my own service. You cannot do that with Lead Lightning or the Silver membership. Now, if I want to upgrade my account, meaning if I want to purchase one of our one-time purchases, Diamond or Platinum or Master, watch these videos right here in your back office. If you click on the blue play button to the right, you'll see that Diamond membership is an amazing course. You earn $100 commissions. Platinum is a Facebook ads course, mainly e-commerce and other stuff as well, and you earn $400 commissions. Master Traffic is like 20 courses in one, and you earn $1,000 commissions anytime you would resell it. So you earn $1,000 commissions anytime you resell our top membership. It's called the Master Traffic course. So Diamond, Platinum, and Master Traffic are technically called memberships, but they're not monthly cost. I just want to stress that. The only monthly cost you'll have is either gold, regular customer, or silver. All right, so if you're a gold member, if you're an affiliate, that's the easiest way to build this business. Just be a gold member. It's $30 plus a $23 affiliate fee. So the most you'll ever pay per month is $53.97 US dollars. Okay, so again, the most you'll ever pay is $53.97. All right, as a gold member to be part of this amazing company for Power Lead System. All right, so if you want to purchase Diamond, you can. It's $147 one time. Platinum membership, also called Social Profit Academy, is $497 one time. And our top course is, you can see, $1,497. So $1,500 one time. All right, one payment. And when you buy these courses, you not only own the courses for life, but you own the resale rights to them. So if you're an active gold member, remember, gold member is the affiliate plus customer. All right, you can earn commissions reselling any of these one-time memberships for life. And they each have a payment plan of 2 payments. So if you're on a budget, you can do 2 payments of $798.50 if you want to own our master course, and then you own that amazing course. Again, it's 20 courses in one. You own it for life. Social Profit is 2 payments of $298.50, and Diamond, you could do 2 payments of $98.50. And if you sign up on the payment plan, if you choose 2 payments instead of the one time because you're on a budget, and you refer a member at that level, you do receive full commission. So let me explain that. Let's say you purchase Diamond on 2 payments of $98.50. If you go then and refer a Diamond customer who spends $147 one time to buy Diamond, you still earn the full $100 Diamond commission. All right, that's how that works. Now, there's 2 levels of commissions for each upgraded membership. There's 2 levels. All right, so I'm going to play some of the diamond video because that's the easiest, I think, to explain. That's where you might be at. So watch this. All right, it's going to basically say you earn $100 commissions on your direct pay line, so your direct customers, and then any of your customers, you earn a 25%. So there's two ways to get paid. So I'm going to play that part right here.
You're paid this 25% matching bonus on everyone you personally refer at the diamond level. You could have dozens, even hundreds of people, all paying you 25% of their diamond level commissions. And as you can see, these diamond level commissions can turn.
Okay, so it's 25% on diamond. Okay, and then with platinum, there's a $50 second tier commission, and with the top level, there's a $200 second tier commission. So that means if, like for instance, I'm a platinum member because I purchased this course. So when I refer a platinum member, I get a $400 commission. If one of my platinum customers makes a platinum sale themselves, I'm going to pocket a $50 commission. Okay? And I'll show you what it means in the commission setup here. So you can see we got our lead lightning, we got our gold customers, the prediction report, and then we got our diamond, our platinum, and our master. So they all have really their own compensation plan. All right? And that's how that works. So a gold member gets access to all of our tools. You can customize our email campaigns. You get autoresponders. You get unlimited blogs. You get your contact manager. You get everything you need to succeed online. And it's only $53.97 a month. I hope that breaks down your questions. And one last thing before I go. Let me explain the 50% match bonus for the residual income. So you're a gold member, all right? You're a gold member and you sign up, 3 Power Lead System customers. They each pay you 20, all right? 20 times 3 is 60 a month. So if you're earning 60 a month, that's going to cover your bill. Let's say each of your 3 customers brings on 1 customer themselves. So they're all earning 20 a month. Okay? So you're going to earn a 50% match on each one of your customers. So you're going to earn an extra $30 because they're each earning 20. 50% of 20 is 10. So 10 times 3 is 30. So you're going to earn an extra $30 a month in addition to your 60 a month. All right, so in that scenario, you would be earning $90 a month in residual commission if they're all staying active. And that's the easiest way I can explain our monthly commission plan plus the 50% match. What I recommend is to take the time. You watch this video. Hopefully it explained and cleared up a lot of things for you. But what I recommend is take the time to go ahead and watch our training videos in full, and they will explain exactly how it works. Okay, so like it says here, refer 3 customers and your monthly expense is covered.
Completely covered. You're actually now earning a net profit each and every month. Now here's where it gets even more exciting. For every one of your customers who decides to step up and cash in on this lucrative pay plan for themselves, you're going to make a staggering 50% match on each and every one of their referrals. Did you get it?
Okay, so that is what I just explained. You get a 50% match on every one of your customers' referrals. So this is a key point, all right, because people have questions about pyramids and Ponzi's. You only get paid. You only get paid for referring customers. Okay, so every gold member, every affiliate of Power Lead System is also a customer. You cannot be an affiliate without being a customer, without paying for our service and product. You cannot be an affiliate without being a customer. So I just want to emphasize that point. If you have any questions about, a lot of people are skeptical, a lot of people have pyramid questions. That is how this works. So again, Power Lead System customers, 30 a month exactly, 30.00. And the affiliate fee, which is the gold membership, is only an extra $23.97. When you add those together, you get, like I said, $53.97 is the most you will ever have to pay as a Power Lead System gold member customer. Okay?
That. So let me help you visualize just how powerful this really is. Suppose you sponsor me, and I was one of your customers who decided to step up and start marketing to make my own referrals. And let's say I grew my pay line to 50 people. At $20 per month per person, I'd be making $1,000 per month. But since you sponsored me, you'll make a 50% matching bonus. In other words, that's $500 in monthly residual income that you'd be making from my entire pay line. But it's not just my pay line.
Okay, so if you signed up one person that just did that illustration, all right, you would be making $500 a month from referring that one person alone. If they had 50 customers on their pay line times 20 commission, that's $1,000 a month residual commission. So just from one referral, all right, you'd be earning an extra $500 a month, and that's just an illustration purpose only. Okay, that's not a guarantee results at all. So if you have more questions, like I said, Twitter me, send me an email. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you watch this one thoroughly and you're taking notes, I have a playlist called Power Lead System for Millennial Men. This is going to help really anybody interested in Power Lead System and learn about Power Lead System. I've done 262 videos, all right, most of which are screen share. And they all break down Power Lead System tips and training, how to use the tools, how to set up domains and websites and capture pages and blogs and email autoresponders, training, traffic, everything, all right? Power Lead System compensation explained. All right, so check out that playlist. I'll put a link to that playlist below this video. I will see you next time. If you want to start, there's also links below to the various levels. I look forward to helping you and helping you become successful.